Mark, Kentucky will start scheduling 15-year-olds for driver's permits tomorrow.
It's a change that will put younger drivers behind the wheel, raising some concerns about safety.
Kentucky roads will soon have more teens behind the wheel.
Here's where we think we are. We think we can start taking appointments for 15-year-olds by April the 2nd.
Governor Andy Beshear signed House Bill 15 into law last week, lowering the minimum age requirement to get a driver's permit from 16 to 15. The law took effect right away, but the state needed time to update its scheduling system that's more than 40 years old.
It's a bigger undertaking than it might seem. We might think in some of today's technology that you could just check a box or change a number. It's actually reprogramming a whole system.
If the system updates launch as planned on April 2nd, it will likely be a several-week wait for those written permit test appointments. But soon enough, 15-year-olds will hit the roads.
We want everybody to be careful, and it does not move up when you can get your actual license. It just gives you a longer period of time to practice.
The change raises questions about safety in a state that already sees thousands of crashes involving teens each year. State data shows Kentucky roads have seen more than 47,000 crashes involving teen drivers in the last 3 years alone. At least 13,000 people were hurt in those crashes. More than 200 were killed.
If you have a teenager in your family, it's really important to talk to them about the dangers of speeding, of not buckling up, of being distracted. It only takes a second, and lives are changed forever.
And with summer coming up, the safety risks only increase.
They're behind the wheel a lot more often than they are during the school year, and the incidences of crashes involving teen drivers goes up tremendously during those summer months.
KYTC says 15-year-olds and their families can visit the Kentucky State Police website to make appointments, but they are limited. That system opens every day at 8 a.m., so hop on right away to get one of those coveted spots. We have a link to that site on WDRB.com.